All of the filtration products are designed and manufactured in Osaka, Japan under a very strict code of guidelines, which are enforced by the Japanese government. But Enagic takes it one step further than most other water filtration manufacturers. Every component of every product is made from scratch in the factory under close supervision, ensuring efficiency, durability, and the ability to produce the highest quality Kangen water imaginable. From the electrode plate to the charcoal-infused water filters themselves, everything is made in one place with one amazing result: perfection. In the factory, every product is tested before it is allowed to be shipped out. Once the pH levels, ORP levels, and every function of a unit is tested, it is then authorized to be sent out. But going even beyond quality control, Enagic also has a staff of highly trained engineers at the factory to design superior products for future use. Enagic feels that with all of these various aspects of production being contained to one factory, a supreme level of synergy is created, generating the finest products possible.